In this Ansible Lightspeed Part 2 video we will fix the Ansible creator error. We ended up with the error on the screen in our previous video. We tried running the suggested pip command inside VS Code and was not fruitful. We have installed pip package managed and later tried to install Ansible Creator. We did move one step ahead with the error, yet Ansible Creator is not installed since the environment is externally managed. Let's clear the terminal first. I did some research and found out about virtual environment usage. Let's first install Python virtual environment module. Python virtual environment module is installed successfully. We will not create a virtual environment to work with. I am using Ansible as the name of the virtual environment. Confirm the virtual environment is created. Next we will activate the virtual environment Ansible created in our previous step. Notice the prompt, we are now working in our virtual environment. If we run the which Python command again, the path has now changed and pointing to our Ansible environment. Note this step carefully, we will update VS Code settings to point to our virtual environment Python. Click on Settings in VS Code. Expand Extension and then Ansible. In Python section, update the path which we have copied from the terminal. Refresh the Ansible content creator to validate if the path to Python is updated. Next we will find the path for Ansible by running the which command. Ansible is still pointing to default/usr/bin/Ansible directory. Since we are working in our virtual environment, let's install Ansible using pip manager. Ansible is now installed in our virtual environment. Clear the terminal. Run which Ansible command to find the path. Our Ansible is now pointing to virtual environment, copy the path and switch to VS Code editor. In the setting page of VS Code, go to Ansible section and update the path to Ansible executable. Refresh to validate if all system requirements are met. Both our Ansible and Python executable paths are updated and validated. We are still missing the Ansible Creator component. Switch to the terminal and we will pip manage to install Ansible Creator. Installing Ansible DevTools instead will not only cover Creator, but also Lint, Navigator, etc. Switch to VS Code Editor and let's rerun the validation. Click Refresh. Excellent, we did it. Our system is now ready to explore Ansible Lightspeed. Back to the terminal, we will validate the reachability of managed node from our control node via the virtual environment. We are missing the winner module. Let's install PyWinner using pip manager. PyWinner is installed, let's validate the connectivity again. We will run Ansible followed by the group to ping. Since our managed node is Windows, we are using win_ping module of Ansible. Back to our VS Code editor and click Playbook with Ansible. Something is still missing. Back to VS Code settings. Select Ansible Lightspeed under Extension section. Enable the two settings. Now the last prerequisite to sign up. I have my account set up, we'll click on Connect button within VS Code. Log into Red Hat. Click the Authorize button. And allow the following prompts to open URL. Once connected, we will see the subscription type in the Ansible Content Creator pane. The moment has come, it's time to validate Ansible Lightspeed is working properly. Click on Playbook with Ansible Lightspeed. Excellent, Lightspeed is set up and we can explore its features. How about asking Ansible to create a playbook for us? Let's say we want to change the Windows computer name. Once we write our test, click Analyze. Next, click on Generate Playbook. There you go, our playbook to change computer name is ready. Validate if the code is what's in your mind. And click Open Editor. Open a terminal inside VS Code or use other terminal window. Make sure to work in the virtual environment in the terminal window. To push a playbook configuration to managed nodes, run the command Ansible-playbook, name of the playbook followed by the inventory file which holds the information of the managed host. Playbook is processing. Execution is now complete. We can see the status what has changed. Switch to the managed node and validate if the playbook is pushed successfully. We can see a reboot is pending for the changes to apply. Once the system is reboot, the new name will be test1. Let's reboot the managed node first. We will modify our previous playbook to change computer name and add additional steps to reboot after name change followed by a ping when the managed node is back online. Our revised playbook is ready. Let's save it and run the playbook and check the behavior. From the output we can confirm the playbook is executed successfully. To conclude, I thought of creating a playbook to thank you all for watching. Executed the last playbook. The moment of Zen. Thank you.